Hello friends, the topic of today's lecture is feasibility study. Feasibility study. A feasibility study is an analysis that takes all of a project's relevant factors into account, including economical, technical, legal, and scheduling considerations, to ascertain the likelihood of completing the project successfully. Project managers use feasibility studies to discern the pros and cons of undertaking a project before they invest a lot of time and money into it. Feasibility studies also can provide a company's management with crucial information that could prevent the company from entering blindly into risky businesses. Understanding feasible studies. A feasibility study is simply an assessment of the practicality of a proposed plan or project. As the name implies, these studies ask, is this project feasible? Do we have the people, tools, technology, and resources necessary for this project to succeed? Will the project get us the return on investment that we need and expect? The goals of feasibility studies are as follows: to understand thoroughly all aspects of a project, concept, or plan, to become aware of any potential problems that could occur while implementing the project, to determine if, after considering all significant factors, the project is viable, that is, worth undertaking. The importance of feasibility studies. Feasibility studies are important to business development. They can allow a business to address where and how it will operate. They can also identify potential obstacles that may impede its operations and recognize the amount of funding it will need to get the business up and running. Feasibility studies aims for marketing strategies that could help convince investors or banks that investing in a particular project or business is a wise choice. Basic due diligence process before conducting a feasibility study. Some factors should be considered before we are going to conduct a feasibility study. Those are: get feedback about the new concept from the appropriate stakeholders. Analyze and ask questions about your data to make sure that it is solid. Conduct a market survey or market research to enhance data collection. Write an organizational, operational, or a business plan. Prepare a projected income statement. Prepare an opening day balance sheet. Make an initial go or no go decisions about moving ahead with the plan. Components of feasibility study. Once basic due diligence process is completed, we can draft or we can go on conducting the feasibility study. The feasibility study must include following elements, and those elements are: executive summary. Formulate a narrative describing details of the project, product or service, plan or business. Technological considerations. Ask, what will it take? Do you have it? If not, can you get it? What will it cost? Existing marketplace. Examine the local and broader markets for the product, service, plan or business. Marketing strategy. It includes business overall game plan for reaching prospective consumers and turning them into customers of the product or services the business provides. Required staffing, the number of people required. What are the human capital needs for this project? It must include an organizational chart which will define whether where the people will be needing in this project. Schedule and timeline. It includes significant entry markers for the project's completion date. Markers when we are going to complete the project. Project financials brings together planning, budgeting, accounting, financial reporting, internal control, auditing, procurement, disbursement, and physical performance of the project with the aim of managing project resources properly and achieving the project's objectives. Findings and recommendations break down into subsets of technology, marketing, organization, and financials. So these following are the components of or important elements of a feasibility study.